Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to GoodnessNature, where we uncover the healing power of nature. One remedy, one superfood, and one healthy habit at a time. Let's explore the goodness nature has to offer your mind, body, and soul. What if a spoonful of golden fat could fire up your brain, heal your gut, protect your heart, and detoxify your entire body without a single pill? This isn't some trendy health hack. This is ghee, one of the oldest, most revered superfoods in human history. While modern diets pushed fats into the danger zone, ancient cultures celebrated ghee as sacred. And today, science is catching up with thousands of years of Ayurvedic wisdom. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 life-changing benefits of ghee, how it transforms your health from the inside out, and why your body might be craving it more than ever before. Ghee, a sacred legacy from ancient healing traditions. Ghee's story begins more than 5,000 years ago in India. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's called liquid gold, believed to nourish the body, sharpen the mind, and purify the soul. It wasn't just used as food. Ghee was used in rituals, healing massages, detox protocols, and even in fire ceremonies as an offering to the divine. Ancient texts, like the Karaka Samhita, describe ghee as the ultimate fat for human consumption, easily digested, deeply nourishing, and energetically balancing. Fast forward to today, and it turns out those ancient healers were onto something. Let's explore the top 5 scientifically backed, life-enhancing benefits of ghee, and how you can bring this ancient superfood into your modern life. 1. Brain fuel. Enhances memory, focus, and mood. Ghee is a brain booster like no other. Here's why. It contains saturated fats and cholesterol, which are essential for building myelin sheaths, the protective coating around neurons. It delivers omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce brain inflammation and improve neurotransmitter function. It's loaded with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K2, all critical for healthy brain development and hormonal balance. Plus, ghee contains butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid that improves the gut-brain axis, the two-way communication line between your digestive tract and your brain. A happy gut means a sharper, calmer mind. In studies, diets rich in natural fats like ghee have been linked to better memory retention, fewer mood swings, and reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. 2. Gut healer. Soothes inflammation and repairs digestion. Unlike many oils that irritate the gut, ghee heals it. The secret is, again, butyric acid, which helps reduce gut inflammation, strengthen the intestinal lining, promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Butyric acid is even being explored as a therapy for Crohn's disease, IBS, and ulcerative colitis. In Ayurveda, ghee is considered deeply nourishing to the digestive fire, or Agni. It enhances the absorption of nutrients and pacifies digestive disorders like bloating, constipation, and acidity. Use a teaspoon of ghee with warm water or herbal teas to gently lubricate your gut and encourage regular elimination, the Ayurvedic way. 3. Cardiovascular and joint support. The surprising truth about fat modern science once demonized saturated fats. But more recent research shows that not all fats are created equal. Here's what makes ghee different. It contains medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, that are burned for energy rather than stored as fat. It increases HDL, good cholesterol, and helps balance LDL, bad cholesterol. It's anti-inflammatory, helping reduce joint pain and stiffness. In regions where ghee is traditionally consumed, such as rural India and Tibet, rates of arthritis, heart disease, and brittle bones are notably lower. Vitamin K2 in ghee also ensures that calcium is deposited in bones, not arteries, preventing arterial plaque and keeping your heart strong. So no, ghee doesn't clog arteries. It may actually help clean them. 4. Nutrient powerhouse. Delivers what most diets lack. Ghee isn't just a source of fat. It's a delivery system for vital nutrients. 1 tablespoon contains vitamin A, vision, skin, and immune support. Vitamin D, mood balance, hormone regulation, and bone strength. Vitamin E, cell protection from oxidative stress. Vitamin K2, crucial for calcium metabolism and bone density. CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, known to reduce belly fat and fight inflammation. 5. Detoxifier and immunity booster, cleanses from within. In Ayurveda, Ghee is used in detox therapies to bind and eliminate toxins, especially those stored in fat tissue. Its unique molecular structure allows it to penetrate deep into cells, pulling out impurities and restoring balance. Ghee promotes liver function and bile flow, boosts white blood cell activity, strengthens gut immunity, where over 70% of your immune system resides. It's also considered sattvic, meaning it calms the mind, balances hormones, and promotes spiritual clarity. Want a seasonal detox tip? Start your morning with warm water, plus ghee, plus a pinch of turmeric or black pepper. It'll awaken your digestion, cleanse your system, and energize your cells naturally. Myths versus facts about ghee. Let's clear up a few common myths. Myth 1. Ghee raises cholesterol and causes heart disease. Fact: newer research shows moderate ghee intake can improve lipid profiles, especially when replacing inflammatory oils like soybean or corn oil. Myth 2. Ghee makes you fat. Fact: ghee's short-chain fats are easily burned for energy. In moderation, ghee may actually support fat metabolism and weight loss. Myth 3. Ghee is just glorified butter. Fact: ghee is clarified butter, meaning the milk solids, casein, and lactose are removed. It's safer for the lactose intolerant, more shelf-stable, and higher in antioxidants. How to use ghee daily, wisely. Here are simple, delicious ways to enjoy ghee every day. Cook your breakfast eggs or sautéed greens in ghee. Stir a spoon into soups, stews, or curries. Spread it on sprouted toast or use it in place of butter. Mix into your morning herbal tea or golden milk. Drizzle over steamed vegetables or rice. Stick to 1-2 tablespoons per day, depending on your activity level and diet. Always choose grass-fed organic ghee for the highest nutritional profile. A2 ghee from indigenous cows is even better for digestion and bioavailability. Final reflection: nature's liquid gold. In a fast-paced world filled with artificial fats, flavorless oils, and factory-made spreads, ghee is a return to nature's wisdom. It reminds us that real healing comes from real food. Food that's been respected, tested over centuries, and lovingly prepared. Whether you're looking to fuel your brain, heal your gut, protect your heart, or simply elevate your meals, ghee offers a golden opportunity to nourish yourself on every level. So open that jar, take in its rich aroma, and know you're about to give your body one of the purest forms of nourishment nature has ever created. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward natural wellness. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread the goodness of nature together. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.